Here's how to view your iCloud photos on an iPhone, Android, PC, or Mac. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. You'll see all your photos here. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. It will indicate whether your photos are synced to iCloud. For example, it might say synced with iCloud just now. If it doesn't show that, or if your photos aren't syncing, head to your settings. Tap your name at the top, then select iCloud. From there, tap on Photos and make sure the Sync this iPhone option is turned on. This will upload all your photos to iCloud and keep them synced. You'll know it's working when it says Syncing just now, or Up to date. To view your iCloud photos on any device, whether it's an Android phone, PC, Mac, or tablet, just open a web browser and go to iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID, email, and password. Once logged in, scroll down and select Photos. This will display all the photos uploaded to your iCloud account. Keep in mind these photos are stored in iCloud, not directly on your device. From this screen, you can tap on any photo to view it. You'll have options to delete the photo using the trash can icon, share the photo by copying or emailing a link, download the photo to your device by selecting the three dots in the top right corner and choosing Download. You can also manage multiple photos at once by selecting them, sharing them, or deleting them directly from the iCloud interface. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks, everyone.